Shooting the installation video for 2115 Starlight Field Drive in Sugar Land, the Kimball residence. I'm on the right hand side of their home with their meter. Their main panel is located in the garage directly behind this. I don't currently have access to the garage. I'll include a picture of the 150 amp main panel. We have room to the left to place our 150 amp transfer switch. And we will trench, or we can place it to the right as well, and trench our electrical run to the placement of the generator. The flags are marking the placement of the pad. These bushes will be relocated by the homeowner. So the right side of the pad is going to begin 125 inches off the front fence. Gas pressure will have to be elevated by center point, and we will trench our gas run to the generator. We'll be installing a 2624 air-cooled Kohler, and this will be a managed load transfer. We'll manage the AC on the opposite side of the home with a low volt run into the air handler.